James Vogt created also a monthly list from 1 to 12. That's because a year has 12 months. That's because it's a monthly list, and 1 to 12. And for the first one is a certificate of success. Imagine that you are at school, you have your certificates you are always the best. You have always you are the first in all. At school you are always the best, so you are the first one. You always a one here. It's on your certificate. The pants, it's number 2 because there are 2 legs. 3 cycle because of the 3 wheels. There's D'Artagnan. We count him also as the 4th musketeer. So that's because there are 4 musketeers, not 3. So 4. The checklist 1, 2, 3, 4, and one straight. It's the checklist for number 5. Every beetle has 6 legs. You can imagine when you're in the seventh cloud, you can imagine the number 7. Then octopus has 8 arms. That's because it's number 8. A pregnancy, it takes 9 months. Takes it to receive a baby. That's because it's a woman who is pregnant. The toes, you have 10 toes. And elf means in German 11, so it's 11 in elf. At noon, it's 12 o'clock, so you can imagine also the number 12 at 12 o'clock. So try to memorize this also in your mind, and we see us in the next video.